This is not a sponsored video. I repeat, this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I hunted down myself. I wanted to find something not too expensive, not over that $200 price tag, and something that my kids can have fun with and not break easily. The table you're seeing right now is my first one. I got a second one because the first one came damaged, but the shipper on Amazon was nice enough to send me one for free. But just to go over the parts on the table itself, we got the folding legs. That's a hassle at first, but with a little practice, you'll get it. We have the, what I'm gonna call the puck trays. So we got one on each end of the table. It's held down by 2 screws. And on the top of it, there's a manual scorekeeper. So if you don't want to waste the battery on the digital one, you can use that one. My only real complaint is that you have to unplug it and plug it back to turn it on and off. But I was able to find this on Amazon. It helps me out so my kids can just switch it on and off by hand. All right, so when it comes to assembly, you're looking at 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. But during the assembly, you do have to be careful. I made a mistake on my first table. I lied and said that it came that way, y'all, but I made a mistake of just picking it up any kind of way, and it kind of just came undone on the end. So make sure you pick it up sideways, not from the top or the bottom. The scorekeeper takes AAA batteries, so good luck finding those because we all got AA. But besides all that, it is fun to play, y'all. I enjoy playing it more than my kids. I will say, if you have boys or you playing with another adult, 2 adults playing, kind of got to be careful. You can't lean on the table. Like you'll see in a second that my son, he likes to lean forward a lot and it shakes the table. So that's the only scary part about it. But feel free to check with me in the comment section a year from now, 2 years from now, God willing, whenever, and I'll give you an update on how the table is holding up. But besides that, that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.